Anushka Chauhan, and today I want to introduce you to the washing machine that made doing laundry easy breezy. The AI Ecobubble 8 kg 5-star washing machine from Samsung. The exclusive Ecobubble technology generates powerful bubbles that penetrates your clothes faster and more evenly, ensuring thorough cleaning while saving energy and protecting color and texture of my clothes. I love how it features a powerful AI controller that customizes my washing cycle by remembering my laundry habits. I don't have to worry about which cycle is best for a particular load, as the machine does it for me. When I'm out and about, the SmartThings app gives me timely information and even selects the perfect drying course, making laundry a stress-free experience. It has the perfect solution for parents who want their little ones to have the cleanest clothes possible. With its powerful Hygiene Steam technology, it washes clothes at 60 degrees Celsius to sanitize clothes, eliminating up to 99.9% bacteria. The Samsung 8 kg 5-star washing machine comes with 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product and 20-year warranty on the motor. So say goodbye to stains and hello to cleaner, fresher clothes. It's time to make laundry days smarter, hygienic and more efficient. Head over to Flipkart and make your purchase today.